Hi everyone, my name is Lana. I'm a spa manager in Boutique Hotel Alhambra here on the island of Lošinj. Okay, so today I will be making a body scrub made from all the items that you can find in your pantry, which is salt, rosemary and olive oil. Okay, so today I'm using salt, but if you have more sensitive skin, it's probably better to use sugar because sugar has smaller particles. I'm using olive oil today because we have one of the best olive oils on the island. It's good for you, it's nourishing, it has a lot of vitamins E, D, K and A, and all in all it's great for your skin. If you don't like olive oil or you don't have it, you can use substitutes like sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil or even coconut oil that you will just have to melt first. I will be adding some rosemary essential oil because rosemary is good as an anti-inflammatory, it's good for sore muscles and for circulation as well. And the final thing I will add that you can or you don't have to is a dried rosemary. It's just picked, dried and ground. Again, if you don't like it, you don't want it, you can just put any other dried herbs like mint or even flowers like lavender. You want to get a paste-like consistency, and what you do is you do it 2 or 3 times a week in the shower, just running circle motions on your body. I hope you like it and I hope your skin feels amazing.